So over here you can see that I have a presentation slide, and if I were to do this, let's say open up a bracket, press C and close the bracket, press space, you can see that it becomes a copyright symbol. That is because it is using substitutions. So in order to see what substitutions are, or in order to add your own substitutions, you can go around over here in tools, and then you can go to preferences. So over here in preferences, you can see that substitution is a tab right here. These are the pre-existing substitutions which you can turn on or off. So if I were to turn this off, the C that we type in, what happens is that if I were to type in bracket now, it doesn't work anymore. So I'm just going to go around into tools, on to preferences right here. Then I'm going to go to substitution, turn it back on. I can also go around. Let's say, for example, if I were to type in TT, I want it to be replaced by Twitter tube right here, there, because I want to save some time. So what I can do is I can go around, press OK. And then what I can do is if I were to go around, press capital TT and then space, you can see that it turns into Twitter tube just like that. And that is how you can use substitutions inside of Google Slides. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.